Bookings for the much-anticipated Hyundai Alcazar SUV have officially begun in the country for a token amount of 25,000 rupees. The new Hyundai Alcazar is the automaker's latest multi-seater offering and will be available in 6 and 7-seater configurations. Prospective customers can pre-book the new Alcazar either by visiting the Hyundai showroom or on the company's website. The Alcazar shares its underpinnings with the Hyundai Creta and even gets identical styling. There are key differences though, like the reworked grille and new LED tail lights that do give it a different look. The SUV sports a 150mm long wheelbase when compared to the Creta, allowing for a roomier cabin. Power on the Alcazar will come from the 2-litre petrol and 1.5-litre diesel engines with manual and automatic transmission options. Hyundai India is yet to announce the launch date for the Alcazar, and the model is likely to go on sale sometime later this month. Yamaha Motor India is getting ready to extend its popular FZ range with the launch of a new neo-retro style premium commuter. The company has sent a launch invite for the 18th of June 2021. While the manufacturer has not revealed what the new model will be, it is likely to be the Yamaha FZX that will be launched on that day. The new offering is based on the FZ150 and will carry the same frame and engine, albeit with completely different styling. Design upgrades will include a round headlamp with an LED DRL, new fuel tank, revised tail section and a new tail light. Power will come from the same 149cc single-cylinder engine that is likely to produce 12.4 brake horsepower and 13.3 Nm of peak torque. The Yamaha FZX will command a premium over the standard FZ range and is likely to be priced around 1,20,000 rupees ex-showroom. Petrol and diesel prices have gone up once again across the country as prices continue to touch new record highs. With the latest revision, petrol and diesel have become dearer by 25 paise respectively. According to the Indian Oil Corporation, petrol now costs 95 rupees and 56 paise per litre in Delhi, while diesel retails at 86 rupees and 47 paise per litre. Petrol rates have gone up by 1 rupee and 40 paise per litre in the last 9 days alone. In Mumbai, petrol is inching towards the 102 rupees per litre mark, while diesel is priced at 93 rupees and 85 paise per litre. Fuel prices differ from state to state, which depends on the value-added tax levied by the state governments. The rates are revised daily at 6 am by the oil marketing companies.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.